title holder. So yung may iwan po, siya po ang ating first Duchess or first runner-up. Okay? Title holder po ang tatawagin ko. Okay, our first ever One Labas Little Princess title holder is no other than Little Princess number! Little Princess number! Once again, maraming salamat, Kap Ian. Opo, sana po sa susunod.
Nandito pa din ako.
And eto na, our One Labas Little Princess title holder is no other than candidate number! Candidate number! Congratulations! Candidate number 8! Tawagin muna natin ang ating number 7. Ayan ang ating first Duchess or first runner-up. Ay muli, happy Fiesta Barangay Labas. And thank you once again, Kap Ian de Guzman and Sangguniang Barangay na Barangay Labas. Maraming salamat po. And sa lahat po, mag-ingat po